Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to activate the application live tracking on Wikiloc. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and download the Wikiloc application. You can of course do it on the Google Play Store or on the App Store, whichever you have. Then when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Wikiloc. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Wikiloc videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us. So as you can see here, we have the official Wikiloc application where we have a lot of things going on. In the bottom corner, you can see that we have the Explore, where you can go and explore some trails that other people have put, and you can of course go and join them. Also, in the top side of the screen, you have Find Trails, where you can go and type a name of a trail, or you can go to the top right corner and click Filters, where you can filter out any trail that you would like. We have on the next thing is we have the Explore Record Trail, where you can record your trails. We have Profile, where you can see your profile and everything about you, where you can see your followers, following, bodies, and trails and everything. And the last thing is Premium, where if you want, you can go and upgrade to the premium version of this application. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and activate the app live tracking on Wikiloc. Well, click on the live tracking button that you will find in the upper left corner on the record trail screen, which is here guys. As you can see, if you had not already been recording a route, you will start to do so. Choose the option of how to share the link via WhatsApp, and that's basically how you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.